spend their time on the ground foraging for food. So our next friend is going to show us how it's able to do so. But before it comes out, the make sure that the stage is all set up and ready for him. So as you can see, I'm dropping the two rocks on this side. There you go. And as for the center, nice pile of leaves. Excellent. Now as for the 3x9 boulder, we're going to just place one right on top of this boulder. And in addition to all these items, I'll be hiding pieces of food underneath some of it. Now these pieces of food is going to represent the phrase these bits scavenge for. Something like worms or even insects. That's right. Now bits of prey do go for such creatures in the wild, but do take note these are not tricks that we have taught the birds, but in fact we encourage the birds to display their natural behavior. So looks like I'm almost done. Let's just quickly keep the basket back inside. There we go. Alright, that's a lot of work, but I'm all set and ready. So everyone, let's put our hands together and welcome Raul, our Salmon Parapara. Good afternoon to you, Raul. Now check out what he's doing. Well known for the foreign handlers, these birds are very opportunistic. They have long legs and left claws, which enables them to overturn the rocks easily. So Raul, able to find all the pieces of food I've hidden? So how about this last piece of rock? Okay, not to worry. Let's move on to the leaves. And look at that, using his feet, but this time around he's flipping it aside to look for more food. Anything there, buddy? Nothing, not to worry, reward for your hard work. So how about the tree? But don't worry, let's do it once again. Here we go, can get it twice in a row. Yes, he can. Oh, we drop a bit, not to worry. Well, not only that, these birds are able to catch food in mid-air as well. So check out Rado when he's ready. Oh, still enjoying his treat, not to worry. Look at him, man, great catch. Now we are going to see more of that. So let us now welcome our team of Brownie guys. There they are. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll be doing 5 high throws, and let me see how many of those throws that these birds catch. All right. So hold on, guys. Hold on. Hey, let me get into position. Okay, let's do it now. 1. Okay, that's great. So how about number 2? Do we have number 2? So how about you on the ground? Let's try. Excellent. Number 3, and look at that. Whoa! Oh, you dropped it. Okay, not to worry. That's on me. Okay, we got 2 more throws. So how about the one right in the center? Keep your eyes on him. And awesome. Okay, finally our last throw. Alright, there's one that's circling around. So how about you? Would you like to try and look at him? 5, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our brownie guys. Alright, you were fantastic. Now let me take this time to tell you more about these birds. They do what part we do about conservation and rescue work. In fact, our next bird of prey, or our next group of birds making their way out, was actually rescued and nursed back to good health by us. So everyone, presenting to you our group of birds. Out here, and let me introduce them to you. Now, the overall ones right there are the scenarios foxes. Can be found in Africa, Europe, and Asia. And look at that, we have a spicy one out there. Right, she's a female, so probably she wants all the attention to herself. And by the way, besides that, we have the marble storm also also known as all-man stock. Now all these birds coexist together in the wild when they are feeding on a huge carcass, just like the one right there. The vultures are very important birds to the environment. They help to reduce the spread of the human diseases by feeding on the carcass. That's why they're also known as nature's cleanup crew. Unfortunately, some of them are wrapped but merit the title, the King of the Sky. Thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the show, but please do not move off yet. My colleagues are already in position. They will be giving you the cue to allow everyone to exit the arena in a safe and orderly manner. We're going to start from the last row and slowly move to front. Now for the rest of you, please remain seated and wait for your turn. So on your way out, remember to check for your belongings and